That's better. Alright, see you later.
I'm gonna see if I'm full of air lungs. What the issue is. Yeah, I can fix it in a matter of seconds if I'm here.
Take you for a ride on a big
Oh my god,
trip.
Kirk, I've got £4.13 in my Steam account.
Oh, transferred right now. How much is that in American dollars?
Like $8, $7.
Oh, never mind. We got that shit. Boo.
Alright, see you later. Actually going this time.
Oh god, too many codes.
Still got 2 grand and 1 grand. I think these two guys I was playing with earlier and I was taking their money and they left.
Oh, my wiper blade changed? Damn it.
Well, got our money back. Yeah. Ooh. Wanna watch TV? I'm not gonna watch you anymore, Kirk.
Alright, buddy.
Girl wanna watch TV. Look like you're about to get off anyways.
No, I'm still here.
I say Chief Wave can't complain with the lures at large, my shall rain. Fuck, I lost the key. Is that what you do from in front of the TV?
Anderson's net over
Who? Was
Hey,
it?
Anderson.
Yeah. We know he's over here before. Ben gave him the info.
here. Alright,
Must have made a decision.
before I go on the thing, Anderson, I don't know what's going on the website. Yeah, I'm leaving that fucking internal server shit. Way back, fucking server goes on.
Anderson? Are you still gonna play on Kovac server or are you playing?
I'm gonna play over here and over there. I'm gonna help you where I can. I know you're gonna need help. Well, I'm not gonna take a staff position here. I'm still gonna play here.
What I mean,
Does
one
Kovac
grapes
know he's over
without
here?
the juice?
That's right. The grapes with no juice.
Anderson, does Kovac know he's over here?
That's raisins then.
Yeah, he does.
Who told him?
Wait,
No,
I
does
thought you
Kovac
asked
know
if he
I'm
knows
over here?
I'm over here.
Does
No,
he know I'm
does he-
over here?
Yeah, he joined the team. I'm pretty sure he joined the team speak and saw Chief Police John Yeat.
He don't know our team.
He doesn't know our team speak. What the fuck?
What do you mean he doesn't know your team?
He doesn't have our team speak.
I bet he does.
I bet he doesn't because he hasn't
Wait,
connected
hold
it.
on, hold on. Did you guys give it to Steve McGarrett at all?
I didn't.
Fucking Nate gave it to Steve McGarrett. I know he did. And Steve
No,
McGarrett will
no, he
fucking give it
didn't.
straight to
Ben
Kovac.
Harris gave it to me as soon as I asked, so
But we know why Ben gave it to you.
I don't know
why?
how Kovac got it.
Look, he's not mad. He said, well, he was talking to me, and I asked him, like, exactly what was his point of view. He was like, hey, I'm not mad that Yeat's over there. That's whatever.
He doesn't even care.
Yeah, he's gonna tell you what he's gonna tell you.
Whatever. You know what I
That
mean?
doesn't change his actions.
He DDoS Noah for 3 straight days. And you want to hear something funny? He DDoS is on the same Betty as the server.
Really?
Yep. We were in a team viewer meeting the other night when Nick was Joe Boski, and he's bitching and complaining like why did Nick leave and everything, and basically it was because he fucked Ben over the way he did. So he's like he's like why did you why are you guys starting to DDoS Kirk and all that? And Kovac states, he said, I haven't been on the Deddy box in 2 days, so what are you talking about?
Oh yeah, sure. He hasn't been on it in 2 days. Yeah, he hasn't been Devin in 2 days because he doesn't do shit.
It's a habit. What do you want me to do?
I can't find any fucking jobs, dude.
But there's no way he should have it. Unless
I just
someone
left
gave
their
it to
server
him.
because I don't want to be involved with like the
I didn't give it
DDoSing
to
and all
him.
that.
In fact, I don't even know it.
The reason
It's
is
still in
I
my
left, I'm
connections.
not being
Actually, no, I think I bookmarked it last night.
what?
Yeah, the server. Server list. But
I want to know how after, you know, me just, you know, saying goodbye and taking my tags, I finally leave, I'm the bad guy.
So
Well, you know why he's DDoSing you, because you were the guy that was offering to pay money. You know, and he probably feels all, well, he's over there with Kirk getting all that money now. So I might as well just try to fuck him over. And they know they can't fuck me over because I already changed my IP. My IP's been changed. Dude, I have such good internet company. If I say I'm being DDoS, they'll send me a new modem within 3 days.
yeah, they sent me one in a day.
Yep, they don't play around. When they say you're being DDoS and check your internet, and your internet's slow, they'll fucking send you a modem out instantly.
You don't even need them. Just change your.
Well, if they don't offer IP,
We don't. Comcast can sometimes change it, but
I
if
think
you
I can like personally change mine.
if you see the,
yeah, all you can do is do
You-
a 30-second. Give it non-static.
oh no, yeah, but see if you have a DNS, you can't put a static up. There's two different type of internets, and my cable company only provides the DNS. The only way you can get a static IP is if you go to business class. Dude, I found out my contract with Comcast doesn't run out until February of 2017. So I can't even upgrade to business if I wanted to.
Yeah, mine's not until 2017. No, mine's there sometimes this year, late this year. That's what came on, man. Look. You don't like it? Man.
Playing some drinking pumped right there.
I
Who
was
is that?
just talking.
Who is it?
Oh, this nigga trying to call all in $280 fucking dollars. You can have that shit. It's a great song.
I don't know. I guess
Of
it depends on
course.
who becomes chief as to where I stay there or not.
Come on.
Or whatever.
I was told the other side of the town they have better internet and like better internet packages and they're way cheaper. I don't know. In this Pennsylvania, it's really weird because like some certain parts of different towns they have different companies and they have like contracts for that area, and you can only get whatever they have in that contracted area. It's so stupid.
That's how most states work. Like Comcast, well, AT&T has my area, but most of my state is Comcast. Yo, how much is it you have to donate to start a gang? Black gang.
$3 million.
Alright, well, I only have like $7.50, so
I was joking.
I have to cut a deal here.
Okay, I'll bump it. I'll bump it. $2 million.
You go in the right direction.
Keep thinking a little bit.
Okay, I got you. 1.5
Alright. Wait, why'd it go up? You're the one that tried to trick me. Why'd it go
I'm
up?
playing poker. These people keep going all in. I'm playing a tournament. Can't be going all in with these folks with these terrible cards. Nah, but I don't know. How much would we have to Kurt?
What?
To donate to start a game?
I was just gonna leave it at 10.
$2?
Yeah, I know some like critical in them. They charge like 25. And they have these packages. Eventually, we'll have packages like where you can create your own TeamSpeak and all that shit, like your own channel.
Yeah. Damn, y'all giving this person all this money, I don't care as long as I'm in the top 3. So you heard it, Anderson?
Is it?
It's $10.
Oh. Alright.
Let's make it $8.85. I like weird numbers. It's so
$8.85. $9.96.
$8.85. How does that sound, Kurt?
What?
$8.85.
What is that? What you have?
No, you got like $7. But
Why
you
you-
give you a house discount.
Why are you saying 885 then?
Because 10 is too high, so let's do 885. Weird number.
Well, if he's only at 7, then 885 is too high too.
No, I'm just saying, like, you know, for future references.
$10 actually isn't that bad.
I know it isn't, but I like weird shit.
I know you do.
Wait, I thought this was a tournament. Why this guy just trying to just watch it? Really just join the tournament.
What's your gag you want to make? Jerry,
What?
what's the gag you want to make?
It's just
You just join the tournaments.
I've always loved PM secrets.
Flush. Say it again. You say I'm good at singing? Only if. This is my full potential, buddy. Bastard in my bullet.
You know what song I'm talking about?
Yeah, we can hear you.
It's a song about,
Homies and
about-
shit.
it's about adventure.
How do you know that? Oh, they don't ca- oh shit, that money don't affect my money? That is
All the other
lit.
kids with the pumped up kicks, the rich kids, outrun my bullet.